Let's face it, keeping your preschooler focused during letter lessons can sometimes feel like you're in the middle of a room with a hungry old woman and you give her stuffed animals instead of food and tell her to sit still. 1 minute she might be laser focused and the next she is in her own world eating the teddy bear, okay? I know this was a very extreme example. But that's sometimes what it feels like when it comes to teaching a child that's not focused. I know it can be a struggle, but do not worry. I've got 5 really tried and true tips to help you keep your little ones on track and engaged during all of those really important ABC lessons that I know you want to teach them. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, keep it short and sweet. Preschoolers have a very short attention span, so instead of these long drawn out lessons, aim for bite-sized lessons for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it snappy, keep it fun, and they'll be more likely to stay focused. Trust me, less is more. Tip number 2, make it active. If a child is getting wiggly, don't fight it. Use that to your advantage. Turn learning into a game where they get to hop and move, and use that wiggly energy to have them go on a scavenger hunt. When they are moving, they are learning. So staying focused actually for them becomes a breeze. Who said learning letters had to be done sitting down? Tip number 3 is to use multi-sensory activities. Kids learn best when they can touch, when they can see, and when they can hear all at one time. Try using Play-Doh to form letters or get them to trace letters in sand or shaving cream. The more senses that are involved in a lesson, the better it is for a child to actually focus. So it's all about keeping those little hands busy and those minds sharp. Tip number 4, break up the lesson. If you notice your preschooler's attention starting to drift or starting to look to the left, look to the right, they're getting a little fidgety, it is okay to take a quick break. Sometimes a 5-minute stretch break or snack break goes a long way. When children are able to come back feeling refreshed, they'll actually be ready to focus. Remember, breaks aren't a distraction. They're actually a tool to help children stay on track. That is where Reading by Design comes in. This curriculum doesn't just teach letters. It's designed to keep your preschooler engaged and focused every step of the way. With built-in activities that are short, fun, active, and multi-sensory, you don't ever have to worry about planning ever again. It is all done for you. Whether it's using playful games to keep them moving or incorporating sensory activities that capture children's attention, Reading by Design has everything you'll ever need to make letter lessons a success and to keep your child focused while doing it. And finally, tip number 5, keep it fun. If learning feels like a chore, then your preschooler will tune you out in fast, baby. They will run like a cop car in the middle of a race, okay? You want to use silly voices or silly songs or even their favorite characters to bring letters to life. When learning is fun, a child can actually focus naturally. They don't have to try to hold it all in and focus on the letters, because who doesn't want to learn the ABCs with a little bit of fun, right? Now I know what you're thinking. These tips sound great, but how do you keep track of all of these strategies and make sure that you're hitting all of the right notes? Now, if you're ready to make letter recognition fun and allow your children to be focused while doing it, I actually have a free lesson that you can incorporate to show you how all of these pieces come together. Down below in the description, you will see a free alphabet lesson. Not only do you get the lesson plan, but you also get the hands-on activities and the digital games that are included in that lesson. This just gives you a taste of what all is included in Reading by Design.